The Attivo Academy. It's online learning when you need it. As a manager, part of your job is to make sure that your employees have the tools they need to do their job. A large part of that is making sure that they know how to use and take full advantage of the investment you've made in Macola and Synergy software. The Attivo Academy provides your employees with in-depth training guides, instructional videos, and hands-on experience tailored to their specific job functions. Before they can move on to the next lesson, they will need to pass a quiz to demonstrate proficiency in what they just covered in the previous lesson. As a manager, you will receive detailed reports of their activity and progress. The Attivo Academy will not only get your new employees off to the right start, but is also a valuable tool for your existing employees. There may be features of the software they are not aware of or not using to the fullest extent that could make them more proficient in their day-to-day tasks. Our instructors have worked with Macola in some cases for more than 20 years. Before joining the Attivo Academy, some have worked directly for Macola in the areas of support, consulting, and training. Now let's take a look and see what's available in the classroom for Macola 10. Scroll back to the top of the home page. We'll go into the classroom for Macola 10 and choose Finance. The Finance page is broken down into 3 columns, one for sequential learning, one for the advanced topics, and one for the entire catalog. Sequential learning are paths specifically designed for the different job functions within your company. And if you can't find one specifically that you're looking for, we can customize one to meet your needs. In the middle are the advanced topics, and there's going to be advanced topics for each of the financial modules. And then finally on the right-hand side is the entire catalog of all the course offerings for the different modules in finance in Macola 10. Let's specifically take a look at the one here for AP Voucher Transactions. You'll note that there are 4 lessons that make this up. We need to start off with putting a vendor in the system before we can put in vouchers for them. So we start by adding a vendor. And that's followed by putting in a simple AP voucher transaction, the payment of vouchers, and then finally a little bit more advanced topic of putting a voucher into the system that is linked to a purchase order. So let's go ahead and click Start and go into this. And if you look down the left side of the screen, we can see the 4 lessons that we saw on the previous screen, but under each one is a document and a video. The document is an in-depth training guide for the steps needed for that particular procedure, and then the video will show you a demonstration of what is covered in that document. Let's start off by taking a look at this document. And this is the training guide for adding a vendor in Macola 10. As we scroll down, it's broken down into different sections for putting the vendor into the system. We've got step-by-step instructions of what type of information is needed in each field. And after reviewing the steps in the training guide, then you would watch the video. And we're going to click into this video here and watch a portion of adding a vendor in Macola 10. Your currency is going to default to the home currency in the company, but it can be changed to a different currency in your system if you have a vendor outside of the home currency field. After viewing the video, the employee can then get some hands-on experience using the same screens they saw in the training guide document and also from the video. Each section has its own exercise. They will follow the steps that they've seen in the video and in the training guide, and then here are some specific information that they should use during that process. But to actually launch the screen that they're going to use, they would click on this link here. In this case, it's AP Vendors Maintain to actually launch the Macola screen. So after reviewing the document, watching the video, and getting the hands-on experience, they can now take the quiz to make sure that they are proficient in this area. Here's a sample of what a quiz screen would look like. In this case, they require 100% to pass this quiz and then move on to the next screen. When the employee feels confident, they may take the quiz. And when they pass it, they move on to the next screen. And once again, you as their manager will receive detailed reports of their activity and progress. The Attivo Academy also has consultants available to answer questions about advanced topics and other issues. The Attivo Academy is available 24/7, and pricing is a fraction of what it would cost to have a consultant train your employees. For more information, please contact us by email at info@attivoconsulting.com or by phone at 949-253-9639.